What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is David. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. I would really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow. And just, want to get this information out to as many people as possible. All right, so in today's video, right, not going to be a long video, but I do want to talk about 3 companies that will play a major role in the electric vehicle technology space in the next few years, right? Now, really, but definitely with, in the next few years. So 3 companies I want to focus on for this video. But, as always, it's just for informational purposes only. Remember to do your own research. That's always best for you guys. So, but yeah, 3 companies. The first one is Tesla. Let's take a look at good old Tesla. Let's see. And you're going to see what these companies I show you, they're starting to make a move right now. They're all on the go right now as the electric vehicle space is starting to pick up. And you're going to see, the price of these stocks starting to follow suit. But I just want to give you guys, a brief overview of the, the top 3, that I feel, are very important in this space, right? So the first one is Tesla. I'm sure most of you heard of Tesla. Ticker symbol is what is it? TSLA. You see currently trading at $1,114. Crazy right now, right? But you're going to see what is done lately. Last year Tesla did a split, right? After the prices shot up, and they did a split, and the price came down to about $300 or $400, right? I remember doing a Facebook post saying that, hey, this may be a good time if you're looking to invest in Tesla. Right after they did the split, the price was very affordable, right? Tesla's kind of the main dog, the top dog when we come to this electric vehicle space, in my opinion. And they're starting to make a serious run, and you're going to see just when we go through the numbers what they've done in the last year. You know what I'm saying? I don't like to do a whole big breakdown and get all exclusive detailed into the charts, right? For the new investor, you want to see how the stock is performing and what have it done lately, and what it expect to do in the future, right? So I'm not super technical. I don't like to overanalyze things because I end up, talking my way out or overthinking my way out of a good opportunity for a position. So others may be different. It's just how I like to invest. So yeah, man, Tesla, like I said, is starting to pick up. I believe they had earnings recently. I'm not sure if they had earnings. Maybe they did, but let's just take a look at how they've done over the last week. I mean, they've been picking up major steam, especially, as the electric vehicles starting to pick up. Now you can see right here, over the last 5 days, Tesla's up 17%, 163 points, just in the last week. Before we go forward, all 3 of these companies I am invested in, right? I am invested in each company I'm going to talk about tonight. So just the FYI on that, just, if you were wondering. But over the last month, you see that Tesla's up 43%, over 300 points. And the last 6 months, up 62%. Right, so Tesla's been making a big move. You can see by the chart here where they started 6 months ago and then where they're at now. So you see the trajectory that it's heading and why Tesla is such a great investment. Year to date, you see Tesla is up 52%. Right, and this is slide over here to the yearly range, right? You see where, and within the last year, it's traded as low as $379, as high as 1115. You see that we're at the highs right now. So it just lets you know how Tesla has performed, over the last year. If we go right to the year here, you'll see that Tesla's up 178% in the last year, up 713 points. Amazing, like Tesla's an amazing company, and you see the stock is following suit. And if you go down, you'll probably see some positive headlines. Just take your time and just read up on Tesla, man. It's the cream of the crop right now, especially in the electric vehicle space. Like I said, I am invested in Tesla. I don't plan on selling my share this time soon. As with most of my companies I'm investing in, I wish I had more, but hey, that's just how it goes. You got to start somewhere. But yeah, man, Tesla. When we're talking about electric vehicles, man, Tesla is the top of the line right now. The second stock I want to talk about, another familiar stock, is Ford. Don't sleep on Ford. Ford is starting to make some major moves in the electric vehicle space. They've been in the news lately about talking about their commitment to electric vehicles. They also had a great earnings this past week, and their stock is starting to follow suit as well. Just take a look at the yearly range. Within the past year, you see Ford is traded as low as $7. Now, as high as $17, and currently it's at 17.08 right now. Like I said, they responded well to earnings this past week. You see over the last 5 days, you can see the chart right here, right? They're up 5% in the last week. And you see what's going on here. The stock kind of went down, but when the earnings hit, boom, you see the increase right there. Like I said previously, I'm also invested in Ford. I'm going to be holding Ford for quite some time. I think Ford has a lot of room to move. So I'm excited about Ford, definitely. Let's see, within the last month, you see Ford is up 20%. All right. And I always talk about, compare this to what you're getting in your savings. Like, this just shows the power of investing. We should all be investing, right? We should all be investing our money. It shouldn't be just, I understand about emergency funds and things like that, but, all your funds shouldn't be just sitting in the savings account. That's almost crazy, in 2021, right? There's too many investment opportunities out there that we could get a better return on your money. I say that a lot because it's just true. So take a look at Ford. Over the last 6 months, it's up 46%. 46% over the last 6 months. And year to date, and just look at these charts, man. The charts don't lie. The numbers don't lie. When you got a good company, year to date, Ford is up over 100%. That's pretty much doubling the price. Over 100%. And over the last year, 121%. That's crazy for one company, right? You don't see that really with stocks like that. I know cryptocurrency is going crazy right now. Well, when you see stocks that's performing that well, and they're heading in the right direction. So Tesla, Ford, and then this last company, right? A lot of people may not have heard about it, but you should definitely put this on your radar if you haven't done so already. And that's Lucid Group, another major player, or will be a major player in the electric vehicle space. Ticker symbol is LCID, right? Currently trading at 36.99. Had some big news that came out a few days ago, where they confirmed the release of their first, after confirming deliveries of its first car. You see right here, share the EV startup, Lucid surged as much as 47%. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, like this stock right here, I see this current trade at 36.99. A lot of room to move. I wouldn't be surprised if this stock was over $100 in the next year or so. Just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. Do your own research, but Lucid is just getting started. And let's just take a look. As you see, it has some ups and downs over the last year, right? But let's just see what's been done lately. Last 5 days, right? Lucid's up 48%. I just showed you the news of what's pushing that growth, that run in the price, right? Last 5 days is up 48%. Over the last month is up 50%. Right. Last 6 months is up 85%. So, like I said, I'm excited about Lucid. I think I added this to my portfolio maybe about a month ago. I had somebody tell me to take a look into it. I like what I saw. I like the direction it's heading. I think it's just getting its footing, and I'm expecting Lucid to be a major player. I don't know if they get as big as Tesla, right? Tesla's some big shoes to fill or even follow, but I think Lucid Group is going to be a major player in this electric vehicle space. So keep an eye on those three companies. If you don't want to add them to your portfolio, definitely you might want to add them to your watch list. But Tesla, Ford, Lucid are major players in the electric vehicle space, and I think we're heading that way. Um, you know, as time goes on. So I want to be invested in the future. I definitely think this is the future. So that's why I invested my money into these three companies. So yeah, but that's it, man. That is it. As always, do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor. These videos are for informational and educational purposes only. But I really appreciate you guys, man. Remember to like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. If you're watching on YouTube, head over to the podcast, follow my podcast, so you can keep up, with what's going on with some of the videos. Not all my videos go to YouTube, so sometimes they go straight to the podcast. So if you're on a podcast, head over to the YouTube page, start talk with David, and just give me a follow, like, share. I would really appreciate it. But that's it, man. I will talk to you guys later.